Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose what kind of information is shared when you write a review on an Airbnb stay. So all you have to do is simply click the three lines on the upper right hand side and go to your account settings there, then click on privacy. Scroll down to the section where it says reviews, and here you can choose what information is shown. Right now, the only thing that is enabled is show my length of stay. You can choose show my home city and country if you want that. Show my trip type, that could be a good one. And also you can choose the option to show my booking service. So you can choose these kind of options if you want to or not. So these are the four options that are actually available to you, of course, with your name and all those stuff. So you can easily choose this. If you want to learn more, you can click on learn more from here. It's going to take you over to this page where you can actually see all the information that you need to understand the type of data that is shown and how it all works when you're reviewing homes on Airbnb. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.